If you're thinking about trying Jumpspeak, you're probably asking one simple question. Is it actually legit, or is it just another language learning app making big promises? After looking into its features, here's the quick answer. Jumpspeak is a legitimate language learning app. It's designed to help people improve their speaking skills through AI-powered conversations instead of relying only on flashcards and grammar exercises. One of the biggest things that makes Jumpspeak stand out is its focus on speaking from day one. Instead of memorizing endless vocabulary lists, you're encouraged to have realistic conversations with an AI tutor. That can make learning feel much more natural, especially if your goal is to become more confident when speaking. The app also offers speech recognition, role-playing scenarios, pronunciation feedback, and structured lessons. These features can be helpful for beginners as well as intermediate learners who want more practice without feeling judged. That said, Jumpspeak isn't perfect. Like most AI language apps, it works best when you use it consistently. Spending just a few minutes one day and then forgetting about it for a week probably won't give you great results. Language learning still takes time, patience, and regular practice. Another thing to keep in mind is the subscription price. While many users enjoy the premium features, some may feel it's a bit expensive compared to other language learning apps. Whether it's worth the money depends on how often you actually use it. So, is Jumpspeak a scam? From everything we've seen, no. It appears to be a real product with genuine learning tools and a large user base. Most complaints are about pricing or personal learning preferences rather than the app being fake or misleading. If you're looking for an app that focuses on real conversations instead of endless memorization, Jumpspeak is definitely worth considering. Just make sure your expectations are realistic. No app can make you fluent overnight.